I wake up and I look at my house and I'm like, I never thought that I would have this, right? I never thought that I would be able to own the car that I have. I never thought I'd be able to say I have this home and I'm able to pay for it myself. I'm able to wake up and look at my fridge and see it's full and not have to struggle. And I never thought that that would be my life. And so when I wake up, I smile because I'm like, oh my goodness, like I can't believe this is success. It is incredible. And I know it's not the end, right? Because I've uncovered the secret to life and I just want to keep using that to progress in life and go after the things that I want to see. But to be able to say, you know, it was tough growing up to now where it's like, I don't feel that struggle anymore is absolutely incredible. And I think the biggest thing is the fact that I continue to grow relationships with people that I still have over a career of 8 years. I'm Carlos and I am a portfolio assistant. What I'm doing at work is I'm building relationships. I want to know when their kids' birthdays are. I want to know when their anniversary is. I want to know what their favorite vacation spot is. I want to know what kind of car they love to drive and what they're looking at buying in the next 5 years, right? I want to know those things because that's what makes people tick, right? You get people talking about themselves. You get people talking about their dreams, what they love, what they're passionate about. And they literally don't stop. My practice and sort of what I'm doing in my life has been so successful. It's because I've taken the time to build up relationships with people and get to know them on a level more than just hey, what do you need? Here you go, goodbye, right? That is what actually sticks. People tend to live in this sort of life where if they see something or they want something, that they'll do it, right? And when I work with my clients, the ones who have millions and millions of dollars, I see their upbringing and kind of what got them to where they are now. And I see it's a whole bunch of choices that got them to where they are, but they were tough choices. Just like I had a doctor who literally up until, so he finished school, he was working full time. This guy's making like hundreds of thousands of dollars a year just by being a family physician, basically. But he was driving his car from his college days that had a hole in it from the bottom from a raccoon he ran over. And he's calling us and asking us if it's okay for himself to buy a car. He's got like hundreds of thousands of dollars in his bank account. He's got investments with us, right? Like this guy is a millionaire. And he's driving like this old school, I think it was like a Toyota or something from like the 90s with the hole in it, barely running. He's like, hey man, my car literally broke down. What should I get, you know? And it's funny because, so he like super humble. I love this guy so much, well off. And he calls us asking us this question. We're like, you know what? Like, I mean, you do have some money. If you want, you could get yourself a car, right? Like, you know, you can find something reasonable. You're not gonna drop a lot of money. He calls us back. Hey man, I bought a Jaguar. It's amazing. I'm like, yeah man, that's what's up. Like, I think it clicked into him that he's worked so hard and saved so much money that he could probably go and spend something, right? But he literally had this college mindset, even 5-10 years after he's graduated school, making so much money that he didn't drop that mindset of saving, making difficult choices, putting his money away so that way he can get to his goals. Now he's emailing us asking about investment properties. I think he's bought 2 or 3. He's sent me another email, I think it was a few weeks ago, looking at a property in Bahamas. Like he's just jumping everywhere. He's like, let me put my money there. Let me put my money there. What should I do here? What should I do there, right? And he's literally listened to the people who are in his corner in his life, made the difficult decisions, followed them through, and because he's done that, he's literally uncovered the secret to life, which is just simple. Listen to people who are either smart with money and follow through with the difficult things you need to do in your life to get to where you want to be. And the number one thing that I would say that helped me through business, through life, through progressing in my life is a book that I found called How to Win Friends and Influence People by Daniel Carnegie. Number one, get them to talk about themselves. Don't tell them about your life because people just care more about their own life than they do yours. And even though that sounds shallow, it doesn't matter, right? Because, you know, if you get people talking about what they're passionate about, what they love, they don't stop. Number 2, know their name and remember their name. Meet a person for the first time, whether you're networking, a client, know their name and don't forget it.